Hello everyone. Today I'll be discussing a crucial economic problem faced in India, the education employment mismatch. India produces over 12 million graduates every year, but studies show that less than 50% are employable in the industry. This means our education system is not adequately preparing young people for the jobs that exist, leading to rising unemployment and wasted potential. This mismatch between the education and employment has deep roots. After independence, India prioritized access to education, and the literacy rate almost rose from 18% to over 77% to today. However, the focus was mostly on theoretical classroom learning and not practical skills. With liberalization in 1991 and the IT boom, demand for skilled workers increased sharply, but universities and colleges struggled to keep pace with the industry need. As a result, while India has become a world's second largest, highest education system, quantity has improved, but the quality has still kept up the same. So, coming to the current situation, the education employment gap is visible across sectors today. The first one is skill deficit. According to the India Skill Report, only about 46% of graduates are considered employable. Employers often complain that graduates lack problem solving skills and digital skills. The next problem is overemphasis on degree. In India, there's a strong culture for degree rather than skills. Million graduates with BA, BCom, and engineering degree but lack practical exposure. This leads to educated unemployment. The next one is mismatch and supply and demand. While industries like IT, healthcare, logistic, and renewable energy needed skilled professionals, many colleges still teaches outdated curriculum. For example, AI and data science are globally booming, but only a small percentage of Indian universities offer specialization in these courses. Urban rural divide. Students in rural areas often lack access to quality institution, digital resources, and English medium instruction, putting them at a disadvantage in the job market. The next one is barriers to reform. Curriculum changes are slow, private public partnerships in skill training are limited, and bureaucracy often delays implementation of new programs. This results in a paradox. India has a surplus of graduate but shortage of skilled workers. To address the education employment mismatch, India needs a multi step approach. First, let's talk about the short term. Expand vocational education and skill-based certification programs. Strengthen industry academia partnerships so students get internships and hands-on training. Looking at the medium term, modernize curriculum to include like areas like artificial intelligence, cyber security, and entrepreneurship. Integrating digital learning platforms and practical labs into college. And the long term, reform the education system to focus less on rote learning and look more on the creativity problem solving criteria.